How to transfer files from laptop to laptop wirelessly. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide it through quick and easy and how you can transfer files from laptop to laptop wirelessly. Well, the process is actually pretty simple and easy. Now all you gotta do is you can proceed to open up your file explorer and open up the file that you would like to transfer, right? For example, pictures and such. So you can see here I'm opening a picture. You can click on it and you can proceed to click on the share icon that you'll find towards the top here beside the delete icon. Click on share and now you'll have different options. Now you can use any other social medias to transfer it as well. But if you want to do it quickly, then you can either install Quick Share on your PC, both the device, or most of the PCs already have either the Quick Share pre-installed or the nearby sharing. So you can choose the particular option here and then you can proceed to open nearby sharing settings. Then you can add the nearby sharing here, add device, and also you want to open up the same settings on your other laptop and enable this option. Then you can proceed to share it wirelessly. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.